Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to this brand video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix verification record when updating or installing free apps from the App Store on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you have to do is just go back to your home screen and then open up settings app here on your device and then tap here on your Apple ID, and from here tap on media and purchases, and now tap on view account, and now tap here on country or region, and now tap on change country or region, and from here you have to select the country. So I'm selecting here United States, and here are some terms and conditions, so you have to tap here on agree. Again tap on agree to confirm the process, and here select the payment method at none, and here you have to give your billing information. You can put fake one as well, and then here you have to put your city and here state. So I'm selecting here California, and then here you have to put the zip code for your state or city. If you don't know about the zip code for your state or city, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app, but in my case the zip code for California is 90201. And then here you have to put the phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then tap here on next, and now tap on done. So the payment method has been changed. So again open up App Store here, and again try to download the app. Like I want to download the app WhatsApp Business. Tap on get. So guys, as you can see, app is installing right now without asking for the verification required. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.